Chefe de Estado José Ramos Horta ao encontro com a delegação presidente do Senado do Reino Cambodia, Samdech Akamoha, onde colhe assunto com a relação bilateral, regional e inclui assunto internacional. Quinta-feira, Loromualo Fulang Maio Tinane, e a Palácio Presidencial Bairro Dili. Presidente do Senado Cambodia, Hun Sen, informa, durante o encontro com o chefe de Estado, o formato Liurai Cambodia, nebi hak solo tebes no for parabéns para Presidente Horta.
As I told you, Mr. Excellency President, in our exchange and in our discussion just now, the situation of Timor-Leste as compared to the situation in Cambodia when Cambodia became a full ASEAN member in 1999 is so different, it's vastly different. Our GDP per capita, our GDP per capita was 281. But Timor-Leste GDP per capita in 2024, according to the figure I got, is 1,453. There's a different gap between the two. So the Timor-Leste's GDP per capita and human resource capacity, foreign is ASEAN full membership. I hope that Timor-Leste will soon become ASEAN full member with the strong support of other ASEAN member states. I would like to inform the press that we had just now an in-depth discussion between me and Excellency President about our bilateral relations. We are very satisfied with our bilateral relations, rooted in our trust. Our trust and friendship, I must add. And we also, in addition to our discussion on our bilateral relations, we also discuss regional and international issues that we pay close attention to. In that discussion, I also convey the warmest greetings from His Majesty the King, Norom Sihamoni, the King of Cambodia, the King of the Kingdom of Cambodia, to Mr. President. Also convey His Majesty the King's invitation to the President to pay official visit to Cambodia at an appropriate time. Thank you, Mr. President.
I very much welcome His Excellency Hun Sen to visit us in Timor-Leste. Hun Sen is the liberator
គឺជាអ្នកអស់
and the founder of modern Cambodia.
និងស្ថាបនិកនៃ
As our Prime Minister Shanana Guzman is the founder, is the liberator and the founder of modern Timor-Leste.
គឺជា
You both
សា
have
ស្ត្រ
an
ហើយនឹង
extraordinary similarity.
គឺសម្រាប់គឺមាន
In the way you led the people
ពីដែល
in extraordinarily difficult times,
ប្រជាជនក្នុងពេលដ៏
guiding the people of Cambodia out of the trauma of the past
នាំកម្ពុជាចេញពី
into peace and prosperity.
ហើយនឹងភាពបាល់បនដល់សន្តិភាព
The same with Mr. Shanana Guzman. He guided our people through war, suffering, trauma,
ការឈឺចាប់
to independence and to the relative progress that Your Excellency has
ដែល
witnessed.
ជួបានឃើញបានជួយសាសនា
Well, you know, we know each other for many years already. Myself, Prime Minister Shanana Guzman, we consider you to be a friend,
ហើយយើងជាមិត្តគ្នា
a best friend
ជា
of
មិត្ត
Timor-Leste.
សម្រាប់ជាមិត្តល្អបំផុត
I hope we can extend,
សង្ឃឹមថាយើង
increase the bilateral relations
នឹងធ្វើវិធី
into economics,
ទៅជា
into trade, into investment.
កិន
We count on you,
ពាណិជ្ជកម្មយើង
dear friend, old friend, to assist us
ជាទីសំ
in
ខាន់
our
ជួយយើង
development. I think.
អភិវឌ្ឍសូមតែ
Entretanto, o presidente da República, José Ramos Horta, ratou bem-vindo à visita ao Estado presidente do Senado Reino Cambodia, Hun Sen, Rony delegação em Timor-Leste. Horta espera de você visita a delegação presidente do Senado Reino Cambodia, belehamete relação bilateral Sira, liu e investimento comércio entre Rairua. Portanto, visita Estado Delegação Presidente Senado Reino Cambodia, simulou parada militar e a recinto Palácio Presidencial, nebe acompanha o militar nessa guarda de honra. Depois assina livro de honra, foto oficial, encontro bilateral no Icusliu Maca Conferência Imprensa. E encontro acompanha o vice-primeiro-ministro Francisco Calvo Adelaide, ministro do Negócio Estrangeiro e Cooperação, Bendito Freitas, embaixador Timor-Leste para Cambodia, Hermenegildo Cupa Lopes. Reportagem Gilberto dos Santos, Televisão Timor-Post. Janela Informação Baema Roto. Atua tem informação atual dia Clio, kita haluha, haneham botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no Fahia Tutang ba media sosial Hotu.